Hey guys, what's happening? Got a tool bag video for you today. Been meaning to post one of these for a little while now, but I've been sick with that cold that's been going around. Finally feel well enough to start making videos again. So let's get right into it. I currently carry the Veto ProPack Tech MCT. This tool bag is the bee's knees as far as I'm concerned when it comes to tool bags for telecommunications technicians. It's right on the verge of being a little heavy, but I carry it, into the job, set it down in the telco room or data closet, server room, whatever you want to call it, and grab tools as I need them. So it works out for what I do. Occasionally I might, walk into a job with just the bare bones as far as, snips, maybe a multi-bit screwdriver and a punch-down tool. But, just about every job I'm going to have this bag with me at some point. So looking at the front here, or main tool compartment side, I should say, in these pockets here, there's two zipper pockets. Mainly carry stickers to place on equipment that has my company contact information, so not a whole lot to see in there. On the sides here, we have engineer screw extracting pliers. We've got some needle nose Scotch lock crimping pliers. DeWalt screw flashlight rather. This thing is indispensable. On this side, I've got my butt set, another set of Scotch lock crimping pliers. These have the duck bills, so you can reach into tight areas where maybe there's not a whole lot of slack left in the wires and the needle nose can't get in there. These work great for that. You can splice on an extension to the wire and bring it out of the box a little further. We've got a flathead, number 2 Phillips. In the main tool compartment here, we have a little parts container. In here, we've got some plastic anchors, RJ45s, RJ11s, extra wall plate screws. Those always come in handy. On the other side, we've got some Scotch locks, bridge clips, drywall screws. Looks like I'm gonna have to restock this guy. Got my ratcheting crimper, Klein, punch down tool, wire strippers, let's see, puck for punching down keystone jacks, punch down tool, linesman's, tone probe, diagonal cutters or dikes, 11-in-1. It's always nice to have extras of your screwdrivers because inevitably you're gonna lose one of them somewhere, so this will cover both the Phillips flathead and pretty much anything else I really need. Scratch all. The main reason I carry one of these is for starting holes in drywall. Let's say you're going to place a jack directly on the other side of where an existing one is. You can poke a hole through the drywall and you'll know exactly where you need to be in order to install your low voltage ring or surface mounted jack, whatever the case may be. Metal straw. This is perfect for sending a single Cat5 through a wall for, what I just talked about as far as placing a jack directly on the other side of another one or through a wall. Sometimes you have to do an exterior penetration, and getting the hole perfectly lined up is not an easy task, but this makes it a lot easier. Security tool for SNIs, NIDs, basically the telephone demarcation boxes you see on the sides of buildings. Can wrench. Got our tone generator. Level, got to make sure the equipment that you mount is level. This one has magnets on it. A lot of the equipment that I install is metallic, so I can set this on whatever piece of equipment, and I don't have to hold it there while I'm holding the equipment to mount it. Got a adjustable wrench. And on the other side here, we have a Milwaukee brushless impact driver. This is the non-fuel. This thing is indispensable. It's nice and compact, so it fits inside the tool bag nicely. And, I use it for mounting equipment and lots and lots of other tasks in my day-to-day job. Staple gun. We've got the label maker. As you can see, some cable ties, extra staples. We've got the Klein Land Scout Junior, I want to say that this is. This is great for verifying your terminations, doing quick tests on circuits that are failing. Awesome little tool. Carry a couple of patch cables for the tester. Got a T1 crossover cable that I just use for quick testing of T1 equipment. In this upper pocket here, carry a loopback tester. It's just a piece of jumper wire with pins 1 and 2 and 4 and 5 looped back on each other to verify a T1 circuit. Same thing here, except for it's a Keystone Jack version, in case you want to, test the cable, test from the cable that's plugged into the equipment, that sort of thing. And let's see, in this pocket up front here, just got a short little cable with an RJ45 on it for breaking out all four pairs so you can test them individually. Magnetizer, demagnetizer. Just a piece of jumper wire with an RJ11 so you can clip your butt set onto it or your toner. And in this pocket, I've got my banjo. I'm going to have to replace this as line 2 no longer works, so line 1 still works, that's why I've kept it around, I guess. Stubby 6-in-1. Indispensable if you work in telecommunications. You're going to come across jacks that are behind furniture, things that you're just realistically not going to be able to move out of the way. So you need something that'll be able to get into those tight spots. Got a masonry drill bit, little flathead screwdriver. I had a Phillips version as well, but I seem to have lost it. Lost the cable that came with the banjo, so made my own. Some more Velcro that just fell out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. There are other tools that I have that aren't shown here. In fact, I'll go ahead and I'll show you. Got my snips and my sheath knife and the new Klein punch down cushion grip punch down multi-tool. Carry that in my pocket along with a spudger. But yeah, I have other tools that aren't featured here that I keep in the van. I've got a hammer drill driver, fish tape, fish sticks, you know, tons and tons of other tools. I might make a video on some of those at some point, but this is just to show you what I carry into a typical job with me. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.